Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to unbox and test out the products that I received in my first ever PR box. I know, it's amazing. So if you're interested in the company who sent me this PR box and the products that I just very nicely received, stick around and let's jump right into the video. Welcome back. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also join me on Instagram at amewnition. You can also find me on Twitter at amewnition as well. So let's jump right into today's unboxing, and I have to say I'm amazed that I got these products in front of me right now. It's not too much, but it's the first PR box that I ever received, so excuse me for being excited. So let's start with the beginning. The cosmetics company who sent me so kindly these free products is Seprofe, who's a really cool cruelty-free brand, and it's so important in today's daily life to find a cruelty-free brand, and I cannot accept anything underneath, you know that. So they so kindly sent me over one of their eyeshadow palettes and one of their highlighters to test out. So I'm so freaking excited because, of course, one, it's my first ever PR box, I mean, hello. And second, I just love the look of this. Okay, so I guess the first thing that we are gonna start with today is their eyeshadow palette, which is so nicely colored and pretty cool packaging. It has like a little carton on it to protect the actual eyeshadow palette. So this is the volume 1 of their eyeshadow palettes, and this retails for $24.49 on their website. But again, I so kindly got them free. No sponsored or anything like that. It's just they gifted me them. So we are gonna do some swatches and then we are gonna try to test them out on my eyes and see how they go. So I just did some swatches for you guys, basically in the exact order, like here, but like the other way around. I have to say these shadows are really pigmented, apart from this yellow right here at the beginning, which doesn't quite show up on camera, but on real life, it's a really nice kind of goldish, but more to a matte standard gold. Okay, so I guess for my crease, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which doesn't have any names because they don't have names in here. But I'm going to take my brush and go into this third shade right here, which is a really nice kind of nude orange situation. So this color was really easy to blend and I really like how it blended into my skin. Yeah, really pleased with that. So I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is like a reddish plum, if you want to take it like that. So I'm gonna take that. Now we're gonna take this shade right here, which is like the second to last purple shade, and I'm gonna do the same and deepen out my corners. I have to say these blend with each other like perfectly. I'm going to take a bigger blending brush and I'm gonna go into this yellow that we talked about earlier and just go over the edges to make sure that there are no like hard edges. Okay, now I'm going to take a packer brush and I'm gonna go into this red color right here, which is like the brightest color in the palette. And I'm going to put it on the center of my eyelid just to spice it up just a little bit. Now I'm going to take this packing brush, the same packing brush, and I'm gonna combine the yellow and the white together, and then I'm going to go into the inner corner to lighten up that part. Wow, that's pigmented. And now I'm going to go into the darkest shade in the palette and then deepen out my outer corners even more. I'm going to quickly pop off camera, put on some lashes and come right back for the highlighter. So now we have some eyelashes on and I have to say this looks so freaking good. Now, moving on to the last product that we have to test on today, it is the highlighter, and this is the rainbow highlighter, and it comes in a uni carton, which is so good for the environment, you guys, I have to say that. And this is how it looks like. It's a really simple packaging, which, to be honest, is the first time that I've seen this until now. But you have like a really big pan, which you can take it out and use it like personalized makeup kits with the magnets and stuff. You know what I mean. I'm just going to take my clean finger and swipe it right around. Let's swipe it right around here. Ooh. That's a really nice gold. It might be a bit too dark for me. Ooh. That's a really pretty highlight, and it does have, actually you can't see this on my hand, but it does have a little bit of like a pinkish vibe, which I'm so rooting for because right now it's matching with my eyeshadow look. This is a really good highlighter. It's blinding, by the way, and I can definitely get away with it if I put just a little bit more bronzer on my skin. Just give me a few seconds so I can put this little guy all over my face. So this is the finished look, and I cannot tell you how happy I am with these guys. First of all, they were sent to me in my first ever PR box, so of course I'm excited, but these are actually a really good quality, so I'm so surprised and so happy with this. The eyeshadow is so beautiful and it just blended like a dream, and the highlighter, I mean, that's just crazy, right? But they really are really good products, so I really suggest you try them out. There, I said it. So, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also join me on Instagram at amewnition. I am planning a really nice giveaway soon for you guys on my Instagram, so you should keep your eyes peeled. Anyways, until then, thank you so much for watching. Bye!